Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can write a scattered data. You can see a small table here. So different names are written in different columns. Okay. If we want to write in one column to do further formatting, how we can do it? We can do it using TOCOL. To means two and call is for the short form of the column. Okay. In this column, we will write all these names in one column. Okay, select the cell equal to call, and it is asking to provide the array. Okay, select the array and close the bracket. Press enter. You can see all names are written in one column. There are some zeros. I will show you how to remove them because we selected this whole table and there were two empty cells there. Let's say if I make this empty as well, another zero will appear. So how to handle that? If there is an empty cell, ignore. How to do it? Select the formula function again, go into the formula bar, then bracket, remove the bracket, comma. You can see the options when you place the comma after that, it is giving keep all default values, ignore blank, ignore error, ignore blanks and error. So we will select this third. You can simply type 3 or you select with the drop arrow and press tab. Okay, bracket close, enter. Now you will see the zeros are gone, so it ignored the empty cells. Here you can see this data which is written in the single column. It was copied like from the rows: Martin, Kim, Lee, Bill, Martin, Paul. Martin, Kim, Lee, Bill, Martin. So it was copied the row, first row, second row, third row, like this. But if we want to write it first this column and then this column and then this column, there is another option. We can do it. Go to formula again in the formula bar, remove the bracket, then press comma. Now it is showing, giving us another option. False. Scan by row default means it will scan by row. This is the default value. If you not mention, automatically it will scan by rows. But if you want by column, means it will write this all names from first column, then second under it, third under it, then type true, this true value. Otherwise, with the drop down arrow, just select this true and press tab, bracket close. Now you can see the first column Martin, Paul, Bill, Martin, and Paul up to here, and then Kim is here. So it wrote it it's scanned by column, not by row.